Well guys, welcome to the temperate rainforests of Southeast Alaska. It rains over 270 days out of the year here, and we're about 45 miles northeast of Ketchikan, Alaska. All right, we better get trucking. Got a long way to go. Look at this place, it's a cold jungle. Everything is covered in moss. Look at the size of this log. This is crazy. Look at this! That's pretty cool. Well, this is the lake I was trying to find. Unfortunately, I'm on the wrong end of the lake, and it's a big lake. Sure is pretty. Hold on. There's a little something over there. Check it out, it's an old trolley. All the wood's rotted away, but you can still see the metal frame. Ooh, that is slick. You can see the trolley pretty good here. Now, I think normally the water level's a little bit lower and you can walk out to that thing. But hey, I got a great view of the lake. Look at this. Looks a little beat up. National Forest Service left these canoes here for anybody to use. As long as you take care of them, put them back where you found them, everyone can enjoy them. It's a real great thing. Ooh. You know what? Rain or no rain, this is still pretty cool.